Okay, fellow YouTubers, this is Noah again with Save Green here. And as some of you already know, I've recently switched from my carrier over to MintSim. And I've done a few videos on them. I've actually done videos on the activation on a promo they just had at the end of 2017. But here's something that's really cool. They have just been featured on Forbes magazine. As anyone that's a wise investor or anyone into money uh, that reads Forbes magazine knows that it's a reliable source. And on the Forbes magazine, they just posted this on the 4th of January. Mobile operator Mint offers cheapest nationwide wireless service from $15 a month. And of course, they have the page that shows up right on MintSim's website. But one of the things that you can read on the article is that they, right here, I'm going to try to highlight it. Let's see, right there. So actually from the top here, it offers, from here, it offers the best value wireless plans of all other nationwide providers, including the big four major wireless carriers being at&t, T-Mobile, Sprint, and Verizon, and of course other low-cost MVNOs. So Boost Mobile, which is using Sprint's signal, Cricket Wireless, which uses at&t's signal, Freedom Pop, H2O Wireless, Metro PCS, who uses T-Mobile, and another company called Simple Mobile. Now we currently were using, before we switched over, Total Wireless, which is a very good carrier. It's owned by Verizon, but we were paying $60 a month for two cellular phones, where now we're paying $30 for two cellular phones. And the article goes on and on. They even have a screenshot of a screenshot of a speed test showing you their download speeds. And on the top left of that screenshot, you see the word T-Mobile. And it even tells you here, Mint operates on T-Mobile's mobile network. Right there. So the proof is in the pudding. It's right there. And you can choose from a plan that's $15 a month with 2 gigs of data. That's what we're doing. And you can also go with the higher plans as well. It's up to you according to your needs. But that's what we decided to go with. You can also get up to 10 gigabytes a month for $25 a month. And here's something interesting. Right on the article, right here, it tells you, however, Mint does not currently offer unlimited speed data plan. But according to the latest data from RealWheel, the average mobile data usage in the US was between 3.68 gigabytes per month in 2016. So the 10 gigabyte plan should cover most users. So if you're weary and you don't know, go with a 10 gigabyte plan. Chances are, if you're about 80% of the population, you won't go over your plan. But the article is very interesting. It's right on Forbes magazine, on Forbes Online as well. Again, it's another statement showing you that MintSim is the real deal. They are using T-Mobile's network. We've been on them for, let's see, today is the 7th. And we've been on them since about the 27th of December for about 10 days now. We have had nothing but good things to say about their signal, both their wireless cellular, like when we're making phone calls, and also their internet has been great as well, and very fast and no lags or anything like that. So again, if you're on the fence, or if you don't know much about MintSim and you want to hear from someone that's already tried it, we do give it 2 thumbs up. I'd say go right ahead and give them a try. They'll even give you a free trial for 7 days. And if you're not happy, you can return it back and they'll give you all your money back. They will even send you a SIM card for $5 for you to try. I think it's got 200 megabytes on it, which is 1/5 of a gig. But you can try it on, and they're only going to charge you $5 for it. If you decide to go with them, they'll actually credit you those $5 back onto your initial setup with them. So it really is a no-risk thing. So I would say go ahead and give them a try. Again, this is Noah with Save Green here. If you have any questions, please post them on the bottom on the comments section. I will occasionally do videos on saving money, but lately I've been doing videos on MintSim because I'm really pumped up about their service and their low-cost wireless solution for many customers. I mean, why wouldn't you go with a cheaper plan? It just makes no sense. It's a no-brainer. But thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you very much.